I like the park near my house. I like the park near my house. It is not big, but it is beautiful. It is not big, but it is beautiful. I often go to the park in the afternoon. I often go to the park in the afternoon. I usually go there on foot. I usually go there on foot. The park is only 10 minutes from my home. The park is only 10 minutes from my home. I walk through this big gate. I walk through this big gate. I see green trees around me. I see green trees around me. I hear birds singing. I hear birds singing. The air is fresh and clean. The air is fresh and clean. The sun is shining in the sky. The sun is shining in the sky. Many people come to the park. Many people come to the park. Some people walk with their children. Some people walk with their children. Some people run and do sport. Some people run and do sport. I see old men sitting on benches. I see old men sitting on benches. I see young people taking photos. I see young people taking photos. Children play with a ball. Children play with a ball. A boy rides a bicycle. A boy rides a bicycle. A girl plays with her dog. A girl plays with her dog. The dog runs very fast. The dog runs very fast. Everyone looks happy. Everyone looks happy. I walk slowly along the path. I walk slowly along the path. I look at the flowers in the park. I look at the flowers in the park. The flowers are red, yellow, and pink. The flowers are red, yellow, and pink. I like the roses the most. I like the roses the most. I stop and smell the flowers. I stop and smell the flowers. I take a photo of the flowers. I take a photo of the flowers. I walk near the big fountain. I walk near the big fountain. The water in the fountain is clear. The water in the fountain is clear. I hear the sound of water. I hear the sound of water. The fountain makes me feel calm. The fountain makes me feel calm. I sit on a bench for a while. I sit on a bench for a while. I open my book and start reading. I open my book and start reading. The park is a quiet place to read. The park is a quiet place to read. After reading, I stand up. After reading, I stand up. I walk near the small lake. I walk near the small lake. Ducks swim in the lake. Ducks swim in the lake. I throw some bread to the ducks. I throw some bread to the ducks. The ducks eat the bread quickly. The ducks eat the bread quickly. I see a family with a baby stroller. I see a family with a baby stroller. They smile and wave to me. They smile and wave to me. In the park I meet my friend. In the park I meet my friend. His name is Mark. His name is Mark. We often meet in the park. We often meet in the park. We walk together along the path. We walk together along the path. We talk about school and hobbies. We talk about school and hobbies. My friend likes football. My friend likes football. I like English. I like English. We laugh and tell jokes. We laugh and tell jokes. We buy ice cream in the park. We buy ice cream in the park. The ice cream is cold and sweet. The ice cream is cold and sweet. The sun goes down slowly. The sun goes down slowly. The sky turns orange and pink. The sky turns orange and pink. People start going home. People start going home. Children stop playing with the ball. Children stop playing with the ball. The lights in the park turn on. The lights in the park turn on. The park looks different at night. The park looks different at night. I sit again and watch the sunset. I sit again and watch the sunset. My friend says goodbye and leaves. My friend says goodbye and leaves. I stay a little longer. I stay a little longer. I enjoy the quiet evening. I enjoy the quiet evening. I stand up and walk to the gate. I stand up and walk to the gate. The air is cool now. The air is cool now. I feel happy after my walk. I feel happy after my walk. I feel strong and relaxed. I feel strong and relaxed. I leave the park and go home. I leave the park and go home. I walk slowly on the street. I walk slowly on the street. I see lights in the windows. I see lights in the windows. I hear children laughing at home. I hear children laughing at home. I come to my house. I come to my house. I open the door and go inside. I open the door and go inside. My family is at home. My family is at home. They ask me about my walk. They ask me about my walk. I tell them about the park. I tell them about the park. I tell them about the birds and the flowers. I tell them about the birds and the flowers. I tell them about the fountain and the ducks. I tell them about the fountain and the ducks. I tell them about my friend Mark. I tell them about my friend Mark. My family listens with interest. My family listens with interest. They smile and say, "That's nice." They smile and say, "That's nice." I am glad to share my story. I am glad to share my story. A walk in the park is always a good idea. A walk in the park is always a good idea.